That strong chlorine smell when you walk up to a pool, that's not your pool working, that's your pool failing. And that's just 1 out of 7 things that most pool owners get wrong about chlorine. 1 explains red eyes after swimming, and it's not chlorine. 1 is about a system that actually adds chlorine. And the last one is why your chlorine keeps disappearing. Myth 1. You smell chlorine and you think, good, it's working. But that smell, it actually means your chlorine is used up. It's reacting with sweat, sunscreen, and bacteria. So that strong smell, it's not clean. It usually means your chlorine is low. Your pool can smell strong and still not be protected. Myth 2. The water looks clear, so it must be fine. But clear water doesn't mean it's safe. It only shows what you can see, not what's actually in it. You can have clear water and no real protection. So it looks clean, but it really isn't working. Always make sure you check your chemicals every week and adjust as needed. Myth 3. Something's off, so you add chlorine. Then, if it's still off, you add more. It feels right, but it's not fixing anything. You're just burning through chlorine, spending more, and getting worse results. Myth 4. Your eyes burn, so you blame chlorine. That's what most people do, but it's usually not chlorine. It's pH. When pH is off, the water irritates your eyes. So lowering chlorine doesn't fix it. Fixing pH does. Myth 5. Hair turns green, people blame chlorine, but it's not chlorine, it's metals, usually copper. Chlorine just makes it show. So removing chlorine doesn't fix it. You have to fix the water. This is where people think, maybe I should just switch to salt water so I don't have to deal with chlorine. Myth 6. Saltwater pools mean no chlorine, right? Wrong. Saltwater still uses chlorine, it just makes it differently. The salt turns into chlorine, so you're still using chlorine, just not adding it yourself. Same rules still apply, and same problems can happen. Myth 7. This is the one that confuses people the most. People think if chlorine's there, it's working. But that's not always true. Chlorine can be there and still not last. Sunlight breaks it down, and if your water doesn't protect it, it breaks down fast. So you add more and more, and it still doesn't hold. Chlorine doesn't fail on its own, your water makes it fail. If your pool starts needing way more chlorine, this video will show you exactly why.